Oke, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, welcome back to our weekend agenda. That is weekend TED Talk. So, in this occasion, I am as a host. My name is Arkan Noval and my friend Kenan Abdul as a speaker. And today, in this occasion, we're gonna talk about how to convert data from PHP to JSON. So, the time and place is yours.
Okay, hello everyone, and thank you, Arkan, for the time. So today I will be teaching you how to convert your data from PHP MySQL admin to JSON in VS Code and localhost. So let's just start sharing my screen. Okay, first of all, we will be starting our SAMPP so we can access the MySQL database and start making the databases first. Let us wait, it won't take too long. Okay, since after it's running, we will be checking it first in the new tab by accessing the local host here. Yeah, it's already on right now. And access the PHP My Admin. First of all, before we start into the VS Code, we will be making the database first in the PHP My Admin by clicking New and SQL. We will get the autosave query, or we can just start by making the new one. Let's just start by db JSON 3. Okay, so this we already created the JSON here, and we will be starting by creating the table first. Maybe we'll start by creating the table left top or just left like that, and then create. Okay, so we'll be putting the ID here, quarter, integer, and only left 12 maybe. So that we will just set as you wanted, but make this ID the primary one, and then the SISWA for the student that are doing tech off right now, and we will be making the bar chart with the length of 255, and the attributes the other will be set. Okay, of that the absent integer 12, and others is your if you want to add is okay. Maybe just jurusan or a major will make it a bar chart with the length of 255 and save. Okay, so first of all, we want to add this, add first the data here. We can add it by SQL like this, insert into tag. The ID will be primary, so and it auto increment. So we'll add all of the data here. With the values, maybe if you want to, maybe the siswa is me, not here, and the absent 14 with the jurusan or the major RPL, and then okay, it's inserted. Okay, now you can see in the browse there, my data has already been get from the admin. And after that, we will be trying in the VS Code now. You can make a new file in the SAMPP uh, folder. So in the htdocs, so we can access the PHP in the VS Code. So maybe we name it like here. And after that, we will be open the open the folder in the AC docs, like this. We will be creating the new window first and open the folder from your laptop so you can access agents, SMPT, AC docs, and then tag. Now that we already made this, we can convert it to JSON in just a few minutes. It's pretty easy. You just need to make this notes.php. Now in here, we will be making the data first. So as you know, if you want to start a PHP language, you need this and close with this. Now, first of all, we want to get the data first where we will be getting the localhost. So in here we have the name dbjson and its root because we don't need the username and all things. So we will configure first the database here, and we will make a variable that consists of server name and others like user, password, stuff like that. Server name is if you can get the server name in here, db underscore json. For that username, the username, oh yeah, this username will be root because we are not using a real username, and the password the password should be null because we don't need it. After that, the last one is the db name. This will be changed to localhost because we'll be getting the data from the localhost, and the db name is db underscore json. Here you can get the data from here. Okay. For that, we'll be identifying the MySQL like this. We will identify first the MySQL. Start by making the variable con with new MySQL, and inside this we'll be calling the variable we've made in the top in the configuring. So server name and then username and then password. After that, living it like that. So we have identified the MySQL and we will be make if the connection error. It will be uh, it will have echo. Echo means like a console log that tells you that the connection is error. So uh, give message if the connection is error. Okay, then we can make if con uh, con is connect error like this. We'll make a function here. Uh, we will make a function and it will give a message connection is error failed failed to connect like that. After that, we will call the variable con here con connect error just like that. Okay. After that, we will be getting the data first. So how to get the data? If the server, so we will get the data, and so if server this, the request method is get, uh, like this. It's syntax error. Maybe we should change it here. It's like that. After that is get. Get means the server will request get the data API here, and we will make the function here. The SQL is you will get the SQL from here. Uh, if you see here, there is an SQL. This is select from tag. Select from tag means we will select all the data from here, and then we will get it. So we can just copy this and put it in our code like that. But remove this thing because it will occur an error if you did it in the wrong way. After that, we will get the make the variable result and the con the query means the reason or the writing uh, is SQL. Okay, so like that we have been getting the query, and now we will make a variable called uh, tag media tag, and it will have no data here because we will be getting the data later. So we just put this here, and for that, if the result result we get from here is a num rows, we get the data from the rows here. In the browse, this is called rows, and this is called the column. Okay, num underscore rows is 0 or more than 0, and then we'll make a function here that while row row result like that, uh, fetch will be fetch the JSON, fetch a sub like this. Okay, just like that, and then make it as a function like this, and after that make another function that includes the text like that, and this row done. Okay, now we can convert it to JSON by just doing this. Echo JSON encode. Uh, the we will be encoding this text thing. Right. And don't forget this. Okay. Now we have did get the data. Now if you want to check, you can access this localhost slash tech slash nodes. See, we have got the data here, as you can see, and you can add as much data as you want, and it will still uh, get the data. Okay, let's try again. Insert uh, the ID. Listing is the title of the variable. Okay, learn, learn, and the values 2, the ID is 2, and the Siswa is Arkan Naufal, and the absent are 3, and the jurusan is RPM. Nice. And then you can press Control and Enter. Now one row insert. Okay. If you check here and you reload, the ID will display here. And if you delete like this, it will it will update you if you refresh. This is commonly used in some technologies. I have made one website from this. You can access in my GitHub later. Localhost Linux. Nah, now this is the data. You can add the data, and if you want to make it done, like if you want to make it if you want to insert data, you can repeat this thing again, but in a different request method, like maybe post or put or delete, like that. So this is the method post, maybe hello I'm doing like, oh, like that. It will be getting it. Maybe try in the normal browser or host. So it's my own site. Maybe try off like that, and the data will be saved. Okay, like that. Okay, so maybe that's how you get how you change from localhost to PHP. And now I will be back to Arkan. Thank you for the time, Arkan, and I'm done with the material. Thank you.
Before I close this agenda, do you have any question? Resolusi videonya rendah, gambarnya pecah-pecah. Okay, there is no, yeah. Okay, so maybe only that for today agenda. And the last we can say is wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.